noticed like, wow, a lot of people are just marking that they have like tummy issues. And like my friends struggled with it. It was just like, wow, this is a need that people kind of have. So I felt a lot of passion around like that specific area of nutrition. 15% of the population has IBS, which is crazy. And long story long, in my sessions, it was always a bright part of our conversation when we started to talk about sourdough. It was this combination of like, oh, eating sourdough is a way for me to feel good and have like a positive association with food. So it was always this like happy part of the conversation combined with, wow, this whole patient population doesn't really have a lot of food that they can just go buy at the grocery store and like open and eat. They have to cook a lot from scratch. And I'm like, okay, I could make a brand that they could eat.